In our main event, the Wrestlepro Shotgun title will be on the line. We will see the big step Colton Charles with the Ace of Space LSG look to defend his title against the Revolver Alex Ryman with the Problem Child Brandon Downey. In tag team competition, we will see Skylar Mack and Adam Kirkland CTE. We will see them go head-to-head with KTB and Yusuf Farrell, and also we will see the Wrestlepro Gold Champion CPA later tonight. We have no idea what he's here for, but I guess we'll have to wait and see. But our following contest is a tag team match scheduled for one fall, and it is for the Wrestlepro Tag Team Championships.
Slay, what the fuck? It's a lose-lose with whatever side you get. Good or bad, we gon' win cause the shoe fit. We locked in and we not loosening the grip. The podcast
first, the challengers at the combined weight of 400 pounds. They're the team of the Blood Raven Nikita and the Heavenset Kid, Alex Divine,
here to shine and we make it sure to wreck shop. On the grind till our names are mentioned at the top. Pretty cool, but we can get ugly in the ring. Prove a point, get the win by any means. Take it through a hardcore, we can do a thing. Unpredictable and precise, that's what we bring.
It's the Ryan K.O. Let a bunch to the cross. I'm not no.
Wrestlepro Tag Team Champions, Sean Donovan, Danny Bob,
screwed up royally. Show some respect to the champs. This is the ugliest bunch of... I don't even want it. Family show. The ugliest bunch of cretins I have ever seen in my life. C-R-E-A-T-O-N. I'm not as stupid as you think I am. That's how I spell it.
There's two ball guys.
Two ball guys.
Ball where?
Shut your mouths. Here's why bold is beautiful. Because the curtains match the drapes.
Too much information.
You're the one that said this was a family show.
If they can't figure it out, it's not my fault.
Hold on, everybody. Hey!
Bob's got something to say.
Let's keep the noise down. While I show all of the ladies in union what a real man looks like.
Perfectly bruised chest hair. Something you know nothing about. He still know nothing about. He's still lost. Still like he's still lost. But he's still lost. He's still now let's shoot. One corner time. Let's go! Sit! Come on, guys, let's go! Come on! Let's go! Come on! Let's go, guys! Go, guys! Wait for our tag! Wait for our tag! Let's go! Let's go, one in, one out. Pick me up, bro. Let's go, tap with me. Go, bring it in the center. Come on, Nikita. Come on, Nikita, send him up. Come on! Yeah! Come on, Nikita! Listen up here. You got it, come on! Come on, yeah! Let's go! Let's go! Go, guys! Let's go! Wait there! Let's go! Terry Smith, let's go! One in, one out, let's go! I'm gonna suplex you, baby! What? There you go. Hang on. Not today, young. Oh, come on, Nikita. That's a big boy. Come on, Nikita. Come on, Nikita. Fight for it. What are you doing? You follow through, come on! One! Two! Go, guys! Three! Shit! Come on! Shit! Take it to the street! Okay, Trey, come on. You got him up, you can throw him, let's go. There it is. Come on. Yeah. Look for me, I'm right here.
No, back your man. Come on, let's go.
Yeah! Go! Hit him again! Yeah! Go! Let's go, come on! Tara! Let's go! Off the hair! Off the hair! Come on, he's double his size! That's the second time, Coach! That's the second time! I told you before, you gotta listen up, right? Sent2Slaughter! Go, Bob! 1 and 1 out, let's go! 1! Come on! Alex, come on over here. Alex, you're okay. Alex, look at me, you're okay. We got this! We got this! Alex, you got this! Let's go! Fight, baby, fight! Let's go! Check this out. Come on, guys. Alex, you're okay. Now! You! Ever seen the greatest elbow drop in pro wrestling? I'm rolling! It's not that kind! Screw you! Holy shit! Come on! Alex, fight! Fight, baby, fight! Let's go! Lay off the hair. Tag! Let's go, Donovan. Tag was made. Let's go. Come on. One. Let's go. Come on. Come on, Alex.
Come on, Alex. Come on.
Let's go. Let's go. Alex. Hey, up. Let's go. Back up. One more. One. Come on, baby. Come on. Alex, let's go. Wake up. Bring it out. Hey, Alex, get out of that. One. Alex, get out of that. Hey. Come on. Let's go. You gotta listen up. Right? I'm telling you to break it up. Let's go. Listen up. Do your job. Come on. Alex, fight. Fight, baby, fight. Go. Come on, bring it out of there. Let's go. That didn't hurt. That didn't hurt. We call that Thursday. Come on. Hey, this is what we do, Alex. This is what we do. Let's go. Hey, let's go. Hey, come on, boss. Let's go. You gotta watch. Wrestling is so good, it's better than sex. Oh! Family friendly, man. There we go. That didn't hurt. Let's go. That didn't hurt. Let's go. Let's go, Alex. Come on. Let's go, baby. Yeah. Let's go, Mom. Anyone else right here? Alex, I'm right here. Let's go, Mom. Right here. Come on, reach. Reach. Come on. Yeah. Where you stay? How bad you give it up? What if you got tap? No. How bad you gotta talk to me? What do you say? Give it up. Alex. Right here. Let's go, guys. Come on. Come on, guys. Let's go. Come on, guys. Let's go. 1 and 1. Let's go. Come on. Let's go, guys. Come on. Let's go. Come on, let's go! Yeah! Let's go, guys! 1 and 1, come on!
Get up! Let's go!
Come on, let's go! Let's go, guys!
Hitting the 4-0, let's go!
Yes! Get out of here.
Woo!
corners, guys.
Bob him up! High!
Here are your winners, and still Wrestlepro Tag Team Champions, Sent2Slaughter!
Hey! You are still long! Bob and I don't throw these comments out a lot. You two young kids got something. You two kids are hungry. You brought the fight to two old dogs of war for the first time in a long time. So, you got a free Thursday in March. Let's run it back one more time. As two as good as you are, as two of the good of us are, we're going to be the ones to extend the challenge to you. Because Danny Moff and I, we still crave competition at our geriatric age. But we're still better than 95% of anybody that's on the independents right now.
100% better.
So you boys got a free month in March, a free Thursday in March. Knuckle up. Try one more crack at these.
Let's go.
Balls in your court. Thank you. Hey. Yeah. Play their music.
Like, what the fuck? It's a lose-lose with whatever side you get. Good or bad, we gon' win cause the shoe fit. We locked in and we not loosening the grip. Divine chaos and we making sure to flip the script. Run the other way, run the other way. You should run the other way when you see us. Run the other way, run the other way, run the other way. You should run the other way when you see us. Run the other way. Worlds collide, but we got the same mindset. In our prime and we aim to be timeless. Here to shine and we making sure the wreck shot. On the grind till our names are mentioned at the top. Pretty form, but we can get ugly in the ring. Prove a point, get the win by